What up, YouTube? It's your boy Eddie Premier here, back with another video. And today, what I have for you is special. I needed something new, and as you know, if you want something that's powerful, has enough muscle to get the job done, it's not going to be cheap. And this was not cheap. So, without further ado, and I'm going to introduce you. This one included a dock storm. This is on Amazon. I'm gonna post the link in the description below, but I guess when you buy this, they're gonna throw in a dock for you. So as you can see, this is an Asus. So this is an Asus. I realized in the laptop space, these company, Asus, is very innovative, and they kind of challenge the status quo. Now this is a really beautiful laptop, and I'm pretty sure you guys can appreciate it. So, box. There's a box. And what do you know? They threw in a free bag. Look at that. I'm glad I didn't buy a bag. And I don't think it tells me that it came with the bag. This is the charger, which comes in a separate box. And we have a stand of some sorts. So, of course, like Asus does not at all disappoint. Reflection in the plastic. So but yeah, anywho, look at that. Look at that action. I gotta show you guys this. Look at this. When you open it to the side, look what happens. It's like the attention to detail is so dope. Even when you just slide it open, it just delivers the laptop to you. So here is the laptop itself. We're gonna go ahead and do some delayed gratification and see what's else is in the box. So as you can see, you flip that box open. I love that little mechanism right here. This comes with a pin, because of course, to the side, this right here. All your manual and details. So of course we're gonna add that later. And what else is in here? There's something else in here. This is actually goes on the end of the laptop. I've seen this in photos, and it's a palm rest, so you can continue typing. We're gonna put that to the side as well. We're gonna open the charger. Slice it, and it's careful not to cut the box. Look at that blade work. Leave it to them to put the charger in a magnetic case that just feels so right. So this is a 240 watt charger. Trust me, the packaging on this is like dope. But of course, when you go ahead, make an investment in a new laptop, it's good to have that experience. Kind of like what Apple or Samsung does. Just gonna rip it. All right, now for what we've all been waiting for. That was just so satisfying, right? It's like, and it's just so satisfying to rip that off. It's just no residue, nothing. Look, first open it up, raise this up a little bit. You can see how that is just beautiful. Look at that. See, and they give you like this nice little reminder that you have a screen pad above your keyboard. It's just beautiful, and it's like smooth, and it's a matte finish. This is something nice to really have, man. Definitely gonna be really productive with this. Let's take a look at it. It's really nice. This is beautiful. All right, so, let's get a little action of that. This is beautiful. And as you can see, the wrist pad goes right here, just like that. Take that out, and then you have like a full-size workstation. It's beautiful, man. And definitely well worth it. Now, I don't know if it comes charged out of the box, but you best believe you're gonna find out. Okay, so I don't think it comes charged out of the box. What's beautiful is that there's actually a little clear piece of plastic in here, and there's a light down here on the front that shows through the plastic. Now, the only thing I would say that's weird is that, which I see why, but this doesn't actually attach to the computer itself, and I'm guessing that's for good reason, but something like, is it magnetic? It's not even magnetic. Wow. Okay, so that's one drawback. But you know, I don't think that's gonna take much of it for me because there's so much more to make up for it. But yeah, the plastic wrist rest that doesn't connect to the computer for me, we'll see how it goes. Doesn't come with that because it's going to shift under your use and scratch up the side of it. Better. So the crazy part is I literally just connected this and already my printer popped up in the corner. So we're gonna do that maybe later. But of course I have to go through and set it up. And even here, but you see the quick welcome to screen expert, okay, quick begin. And it's gonna show you, so get the most out of your Asus screen pad. So you can get the most out of your Asus screen pad, planning your trips, whatever the case may be. So here already they're trying to take you on a trip. This screen is freaking immaculate. I don't think I'm recording in only 1080p, but you're not really gonna be able to grasp like the clarity of this screen, man. It looks like I can just reach out and touch the plane. It's just crazy. Anywho, so let's focus. So we're gonna hit continue, and as you can see, it's giving you a tour of this screen, like what you can do for editing, and it shows you all the graphics. This looks like so amazing, beautiful. So honestly, with this, you should be able to multitask. It's called the Screen Pad Plus, and there goes the bottom half of the logo. Now the only thing is, and you'll see this, and this is how you differentiate the 2021 model, this screen in particular. When I was shopping for this laptop, this is the one way you can differentiate this model from the top one. I'm probably going to keep this up like this for a while, and even the colors that I'm looking at on my camera, I'm shooting with the EOS R. You can't perceive these colors. I can try to bring it out in post just so you're able to see, but honestly, I have never seen this level of yellow coming out of a screen before. You kind of notice it. And with the screen pad as well, the brightness is actually down, so I have to turn it up. You can turn it up, you can turn it down. The only difference is they're two different textures, and you can tell that by just looking at it. But even from where I'm sitting, this bezel just disappears, yeah? So even when I'm sitting in the back, like from where I'm sitting down right now, the bezel just disappears. It's just crazy. Oh, and you got your number pad here too. But I'll be using the number pad, but I of course will be purchasing a mouse to use with this, because yeah, it just makes sense that way. So you can enable, disable touchpad. You have all these little hotkeys right here. So I guess this is a whole separate type of interface, because with Windows alone, even through Windows alone, you can interface with your phone. But the beautiful part is now you can interface through, screen pad, so you can be doing what you're doing up top, interacting with people. So anyway, real quick, you can lock your keyboard and mouse pad just in case you want to come up here and draw. So that way you're not pressing things, and it'll actually give you a nice reminder that, hey, your keyboard is locked. That's going to be the end of the video for today. I thank you guys for rocking with me. I just wanted to share this video with y'all real quick, and there'll be a lot more videos to come, of course. I'll post more often, and based on what you guys like to see, you hit the like, comment, and subscribe below, and there'll be more videos like this to come. Peace.